if your reversible is thermodynamic reversible process, you say P1 V1 is just equal to P2 V2, and if there are other values for P3 V3, you just say that value will just be constant throughout. So that's about the thermodynamic equation, the isothermal thermodynamic equation. But how about the work done? How can you find the work done? Work done. If they ask you about the work done in what we say the isothermal process, isothermal work done. Work done. Yeah? Look here. So talk about the isothermal work done, you just say work done is just equal to P dV. But you know exactly PV, but PV is just equal to nRT. So what does it mean? P means it's just equal to nRT over what we say V. Oh, so you substitute this one into this one. So you just say the work done now is just equal to, what is this? nRT over V, but dV. And then you integrate for that case, for that volume. When you integrate V dV, you know, chief, about the integration. I told you PCB. Let me repeat here. Unapo integrate PCB xn dx, this means it's xn plus 1 over n plus 1. So if we have hapa, manake sisi tuna kitu kama hiki hapa, manake work done tulionao ni sawa na nini? Na nRT, but tuna nini hapa? Manake na integrity V negative 1 dV. You see? This means what? Manake hapa, and you see, hii itafanyika kama tu n yako sio sawa na negative 1. Maana ikiwa negative 1 itakupa 0. So ikiwa ni sawa na negative 1 for n is sawa na negative 1, this means hii integration ya xn dx itakuwa ni sawa na ln wa x. So here I just have ln of v. So talking about the work done now will just be nRT. Now I just have the ln for v. But I'm integrating from the first volume to the second volume because that is changing to be the thermodynamic process, meaning the variables are changing from V1 to V2. This means now the work done will just be nRT, but to ln of V2 over V1. That's all about. But you need to know about this. This is about the work done. You can just be given the pressure, you know, from P1 V1 is just equal to P2 V2. Unaweza kupewa alternative baba. Unaweza kupewa volumes. How do you do? Manake utatafuta ratio. Manake kama na V2 over V1, manake unaweza kupata P1 over V2. Kumbe ndio itakuwa sawa na V2 over V1. Oh, that means naweza pia nikatumia kwamba kumbe from there now naweza nikasema okay, kumbe equation nyingine ya isothermal process hii. Never forget, usahau vyote lakini sio hii. And how to use it. So talking about that, it's just the work done. Itakuwa ni sawa na what we say the nRT, but to ln ya what we say V2 over V1, maana yake sawa na P1 over P2. Never mix. Usichanganye. Hapa ni P1 over P2, hapa ni V2 over V1. There we go. So I'm just going for what we say the adiabatic processing. The same things. We are just going to deal with the conditions, examples, and the work done and the equation. Kwa vitu vinne kwenye thermodynamic process, kila thermodynamic process unatakiwa uvijue. The conditions, the exact examples, you need to know about the equation and the equation for the work done during the process. There we go, chief. Anapendeza kukaa kwenye kamera. Okay, let's go for what we say the thermodynamic or the adiabatic process. Talking about the adiabatic process, this is now the thermodynamic process that tends to occur without the exchange of heat to the surroundings. So talking about this, the adiabatic process, adiabatic processing. So this is occur when the heat supply to the system is just equal to 0, meaning there is no withdrawal of the supply of heat to the system. So talking about that, meaning the heat supply to the system is actually equal to the internal energy plus the external working done. That's according to the first law. So we know this heat is just equal to 0, so it's just equal to the internal energy plus what we say the...
Utakuwa mtu ajabu sana kama bado unakosa maswali ya IT form 5, form 6. Jamani, hizo ni max za bure paper 1 physics. Hakikisha form 5 una video zangu zote 3, video ya kwanza, ya pili na ya tatu, lakini pia una video ya solving ambayo nimeonyesha technique ya maswali ambayo huwa yanawasumbua wanafunzi kulingana na sila nectar assessment. Hakikisha uzipata video zangu.